Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove gamma watermark for free. So first of all, go on your presentation and click on share. Now click on export. After that, click on export to PDF. Okay. Now go on Canva and click on upload right over here on top right corner. Click on upload and upload the PDF file. Now as you can see, it is uploading. Okay. Click on it. Now here's the magic. After uploading the file, you can remove the watermark by simply clicking on it and click on delete. You can do this to all the presentation, all the slides. Now as you can see, the watermark is removed. As you can see, there's no watermark here. So that's how you can remove gamma watermark completely for free.